வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மற்றபடி பல ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அந்த வகையில் நம்ம இந்த எபிசோடில் இருந்து ஒரு 2 ஆண்டுகள் கேள்விகள் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1A அசிஸ்டன்ட் கன்சர்வேட்டர் ஆஃப் ஃபாரஸ்ட் அதில் உள்ள ப்ரிலிமினரி கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் 2017 ஒன்று 2012 பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்க்க போகிறது 2017 ஒரு சீரீஸ். சரிங்களா? ரைட். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். The angular speed of electron in the nth orbit of Bohr's hydrogen atom is A, directly proportional to the n, P, directly proportional to n square, C, inversely proportional to the n square, D, inversely proportional to n. The correct answer is C, inversely proportional to n square. Second question. The principle used in the transmission of light signals through optic fiber is A, reflection, B, refraction, C, diffraction, D, total internal reflection. The correct answer is D, total internal reflection. Third question. The relation between centigrade, Fahrenheit and Richter scale is given. A, C by 180 equal to F minus 100 divided by 32 equal to R by 80. B, C by 100 equal to F minus 32 divided by 180 equal to R by 80. C, C by 80 equal to F minus 32 divided by 180 equal to R by 100. D, C by 180 equal to F minus 32 divided by 200 equal to R by 80. The correct answer is C, C by 80 equal to F minus 32 divided by 180 equal to R by 100. Fourth question. Identify the incorrectly matched pair. A, ferrous metal, B, bismuth metal, C, boron non-metal, D, Sb metalloid. The correct answer is B, Bi metal. Fifth question. Which one of the following metal ions is a hard acid? A, Li plus, that is lithium plus, B, copper, Cu plus, C, argentinium plus, silver, D, Au plus, tangam. The correct answer is A, Li plus, that is lithium plus. Sixth question. The oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 per minus 2 ions is A, minus 2, B, plus 7, C, plus 6, D, minus 6. The correct answer is C, plus 6. The seventh question. The ore concentration by fourth flotation process is A, chromite, B, rutile, C, galena, D, monazite. The correct answer is C, galena. Eighth question. In which stage of prophase 1 the meiosis crossing over takes place? A, zygote, B, pectine, C, leptotene, D, diplotene. The correct answer is B, arpacitine. Ninth question. Hot shock proteins were first discovered in A, Drosophila melanogaster, B, Arabidopsis thaliana, C, Pisum sativum, D, Mimosa pudica. The correct answer is A, Drosophila melanogaster. 10th question. Extranuclear DNA occurs in which of the following cell organelles? A, peroxisome and ribosome, B, chloroplast and mitochondria, C, mitochondria and ribosome, D, chloroplast and lysosome. The correct answer is B, chloroplast and mitochondria. 11th question. In which cell of the fishes lamb brush chromosomes is seen? A, nerve cell, B, oocyte, C, spermatocyte, D, blood cells. The correct answer is B, oocyte. 12th question. Who proposes the chromosomal theory of inheritance? A, Strasberg and Fleming. B. Sutton and Boveri. C. Mendel. D. Ketzigard von Benden. The correct answer is B. Sutton and Boveri. 13th question. Which of the following is not in inborn error of metabolism in human? A. Phenylketonuria. B. Turner syndrome. C. Alkoptonuria. D. Albinism. The correct answer is B. Turner's syndrome. 14th question. In 1398 AD, when Taimur invaded India, the Sultan of Delhi was A. Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah. B. Mulai Iqbal. C. Kis Khan. D. Kyasuddin Tughlaq. The correct answer is A. Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah. 15th question. Find out the wrong statement from the following. A. The original home of Aryans was Central Asia. Max Muller. B. Aryans originally lived in Arctic region. Balagangadhar Tilak. C. The original home of Aryans was Tibet. V.A. Smith. D. The original home of Aryans was Sapta Sindhu. C.A. Das. The correct answer is, that is wrong statement. C. The original home of Aryans was Tibet. V.A. Smith. 16th question. Name the field in which Mrinalini Sarabhai was very famous. A. Dance. B. Drama. C. Music. D. Philosophy. The correct answer is A. Dance. 17th question. Which of the following is incorrectly paired? A. Rigvedas, Suktas. B. Yajurvedas, magic formulas. C. Samaveda, collection of melodies. D. Atharvaveda, ritual textbook. The correct answer is D. Atharvaveda, ritual textbook. 18th question. Match list A with list B. Select your answer using codes given below. A and B. Tattvavani Sabha, Atmaram Bandurang, Suti Movement, Chaudhary Phule, Prarthana Sabha, Dayanand Saraswati, Satya Sodak Samaj, Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer, as usual, go, that is C. 4, 3, 1, 2. Tattvavadini Sabha, that is Debendranath Tagore. Sutti Movement, it's Dayanand Saraswati. Prarthana Sabha, Atmaram Pandurang. Satya Sodak Samaj, Jyotirba Phule. 19th question. Consider the following pairs. 1. Ettu Thogai, Purananuru. 2. Pattu Pattu, Silappadigaram. 3. Epic, Thirukural. Which one of the following pairs given above is or correct? A. 1 and 3. B. 1 and 2. C. 2 only. D. 1 only. The correct answer is D. 1 only. 20th question. The Turant Agreement was signed by Sir Mortimer Turant with the Dash country in the year 1893. A. Afghanistan. B. Burma. C. Sri Lanka. D. Russia. The correct answer is A. Afghanistan. 21st question. The Palamute tribal rebellion came to an end after the capture of its leader. Dash. A. Charavan Rai. B. Babaram Bakshi Rai. C. Devi Baksh Rai. D. Biswanath Shah Dio. The correct answer is C. Devi Baksh Rai. 22nd question. Match the list A with list B and select correct answer using quotes given below. List A and list B. Balagangadhar Tilak, moderate. Motilal Nehru, communist. Surendranath Banerjee, extremist. M.N. Roy, Swarajist. The correct answer is A. 3, 4, 1, 2. Balagangadhar Tilak, extremist. Motilal Nehru, Swarajist. Surendranath Banerjee, moderate. M.N. Roy, communist. 23rd question. Match the list A with list B. Correct answer using code given below list. Aligarh Movement, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Deoband Movement, Sir Aga Khan, Muslim League, Maulana Hussain Ahmad, Muslim Electorate, Syed Ahmad Khan. The correct answer is We'll go directly. B 4312. Aligarh movement, Syed Ahmad Khan, Deoband movement, Maulana Hussain Ahmad, Muslim League, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muslim electorate, Sir Aga Khan. 24th question. Match list A with list B. Select correct answer using the codes given below. A and B. Bihar, Nana Sahib, Kanpur, Begum Hasrat Mahal, Jhansi, Kanwar Singh, Lucknow, Lakshmibai. The correct answer is C. 3142. Bihar, Kanwar Singh, Kanpur, Nana Sahib, Jhansi, Lakshmibai, Lucknow, Begum Hasrat Mahal. 25th question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Atmiya Sabha, Dayanand Saraswati. B. Tattvabodhini Sabha, Devendran Tagore. C. Prarthana Samaj, Rajaram Mohan Rai. D. Theosophical Society, Narendra Datta. The correct answer is Tattvabodhini Sabha, Devendran Nath Tagore. 26th question. Which of the following was the main aim of Suddhi movement? A. To preach Hinduism. B. To encourage widow remarriage. C. To reconversion of those Hindus converted to other religions. D. Educational reforms. The correct answer is C. To reconversion of those Hindus converted into other religions. 27th question. Zamindari system was introduced by A. Cornwallis, B. Curzon, C. W. Pentic, D. Johnson. The correct answer is A. Cornwallis. 28th question. Money is what money does. Said by A. Sir John Hicks, B. Robertson, C. G.D.H. Cole, D. Kent. The correct answer is A. Sir John Hicks. 29th question. Which of the following instrument is not a part of Reserve Bank of India monetary policy? A. Repo rate, B. Bank rate, C. Cash reserve ratio, D. Statutory liquidity requirements. The correct answer is D. Statutory liquidity requirements. 30th question. Approach of 11th 5-year plan document titled Towards Faster and More Inclusive Growth was approved by A. National Development Council, B. Planning Commission, C. Finance Commission, D. Ministry of Agriculture. The correct answer is A. National Development Council, NDC. So thank you very much. So the remaining question we'll see in the second and continuous series. So thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.